Rated as one of the fastest growing manufacturing companies in Africa, Twellium Industrial Company Limited has developed over 100 acres of land into an industry landscape to support the industrialization agenda in Ghana. With a tremendous effort of 7 years of operation in the most competitive market in West Africa, led by multinational skillful experts, training hundreds of local employees, providing jobs to over thousands of families. Investing heavily in the most modern European machinery. Inventing excellent products. Producing innovative and franchised brands. Contributing to the growth of the economy by exporting made-in-Ghana products to African neighbors. Twellium is officially certified by HACCP and ISO, making it the most internationally recognized system for food safety management. We are Twellium, the pride of Ghanaian industry.